What is the location of lock screen images on Windows 10? Where, or what format, are the images used by Windows 10 when logged out or in lock screen? I searched the entire drive for star.jpg, star.bmp, star.png, and star.tiff, but the one I was looking for did not appear. At first glance, path to current desktop backgrounds in Windows 10, although not exactly a duplicate, appeared to have the path I wanted. But when I went there, the pre-login image was there, but the lock screen image was not. And contrary to the claim in that answer, the files there did have extensions. Update: I just did a lock screen, and got an image that is in that directory, but earlier today, it was consistently an image of an interesting footbridge that is not in that directory.
If you are not finding the images in the typical locations, you likely have Windows Spotlight turned on. Spotlight offers random images on the lock screen, as well as other features. These Windows Spotlight images aren't stored in the same location as regular Windows wallpaper, however, so here's how you can find them. The images are hidden deep, so you will need to change settings before you can view them. To do this, open File Explorer and go to the View tab. On the far right is an Options button, click it. In the window that opens, select the View tab. Under Advanced Settings, select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives, then click Apply and then OK to close the open window. Now it is time to navigate to the following directory, which was hidden before. This PC is greater than C column is greater than users is greater than, your username, is greater than app data is greater than local is greater than packages is greater than Microsoft.Windows.content delivery manager underscore CW5N1H2 Chewy is greater than local state is greater than assets. In this directory you will see a bunch of files without extensions. These are the incognito image files. These are JPEG images of various resolutions to meet the needs of multiple devices' screen sizes. You can copy the files to another location and rename them to have the JPEG extension, then you can open them with your default image viewer. Source:
all above did not work for me at all. Lock screen was still that annoying cave entrance. No matter if I override that packages /Microsoft.Windows.content delivery manager underscore CW5N1H2 Tsiwib /localstate /assets folder. No matter if I replace /edit anything in Windows /web /screen folder. Even pedit.msc did not help. Lock screen /logon screen was still that fucking annoying cave entrance screen. If it shows that screen, then it has to be somewhere on the disk. I found it eventually in C column /program data /Microsoft /Windows /system data. That system data folder have to be changed with security edits. You need to take ownership of that folder and its content through Properties window, Security tab. After that you will have to edit picture files within subfolders, depending on how many users are set on the computer. There will be several folders which could look like. Hope it will help to some, smiley face.
In addition to the answers given, I'd like to provide you with a script that instantly copies and renames the file to star.jpg. If you change the view to medium icons or to large icons, then you can instantly see the pictures when you run the script. Let's name it likewhatic.cmd. The pictures are saved to the subdirectory Saved Pictures in your user profile's Pictures folder. You can run the script multiple times without harm. The pictures have unique file names. Over time, you will get a lot of nice pictures in that folder. The pictures will not be removed from there, unless you delete them manually. Note, after you ran the script above, you can change the lock screen image to any of the like pictures you saved easily. To do this, press Windows +I to open Windows settings. Click Personalization. In the sidebar, select Lock Screen. In the lock screen settings, select Picture, always the same image, or Slideshow, alternating images, as background. If you selected Picture, you can click Browse to find and select your picture. If you selected Slideshow, you can click on plus to add a folder. For the folder, browse to Pictures, Saved Pictures, where you can find the pictures saved by the script. Note, you might have noticed that the script above copies all images. Sometimes there are also icons included in the Windows Content Delivery folder, which you don't want to copy. One simple way is to limit the size and copy only larger files. With this modified script you can do that. For a more detailed description how it works, look here.
For my company Win 10 locked screen background, I did not have access to Windows/Web/Screen folder because I'm not admin. But in the Photo Win 10 app, I can right click and choose my picture and then select Choose as Francais, Editable en tant que, locked screen background. Hope this helps any of you change annoying locked admin parameters.
As others pointed out already, the images are located at %user profile %appdata/local/packages/microsoft.windows, content delivery manager w5n1h2 /local state /assets. This location does not only contain the desktop wallpapers, but also icons, wallpapers in portrait format, and other files. All files do not have file extensions, so you cannot view them by double-clicking or having a preview. The following PowerShell script will copy all desktop wallpapers, image width is greater than or equal to 1920, to your desktop, while renaming the files and adding the .jpg extension.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.